Seen It! Disney Magical Moments. Welcome to Seen It! Disney Magical Moments. To win the game, make your way around the game board and be the first player to reach the winner's circle. Let's begin by setting up the game board. Seen It comes with a unique Flex Time game board that can be fully extended for a full game or folded into a circle for short play. Place the buzz cards on the board. Choose your tokens, place them at the start location on the board, and you're ready to play. Start the game by rolling the numbered die to determine who goes first. Seen It is played with 2 dice, a 6-sided die to determine how far your token moves, and an 8-sided die to determine what type of challenges you will face. A category reference card is provided to help you identify the different challenge categories. On your turn, roll both dice and move the number of spaces shown on the numbered die. You now attempt to successfully complete the challenge indicated by the category die. If you win any challenge during your turn, roll the dice again and keep going. If you roll an all play, choose all play from the DVD menu. All players attempt to solve the question. The first correct answer wins. If you win the challenge, take another turn. If someone else correctly answers first, they could choose to move forward 2 spaces or draw a buzz card. Play then passes to the next player. If more than one player answers an all-play question at the same time, a tiebreaker is used to determine the winner. If you roll a My Play, select My Play from the DVD menu. Everyone will want to pay attention to the movie clip. 2 questions follow the clip. The first one is just for you, and the second is an all-play follow-up question that anyone can answer. If you get either the My Play or all-play follow-up question correct, take another turn. If anyone else wins the all-play follow-up, they can either move forward 2 spaces or draw a buzz card. If you roll a My Puzzle, grab the remote, select My Puzzle from the DVD menu, and check out the My Puzzle Challenge. These challenges require you to use the DVD remote to select the answers. If you win the challenge, take another turn. The DVD remote can be used to pause, fast forward, or skip a portion of the challenge. The DVD shuffles itself whenever you start a new game, so you'll never see the same all-play or My Puzzle challenge repeated during a single session. If you get an all-play or My Puzzle that you've seen in a previous game, simply hit the return button on your remote and a new all-play challenge will appear. After you've played Seen It many times, you may start seeing the same My Play clips over again. Don't worry, each My Play clip has multiple questions associated with it, so you never know what you'll be asked. The trivia cards are split into 3 categories and a kid's question. Every card has a question from each category on the front and its corresponding answer on the back. You can use the DVD to adjust the amount of time from 10 to 30 seconds that players have to answer. Just go to the DVD menu, then select the timer option. If you're playing with younger Disney fans, you may choose to read the kids' questions. You can always choose a kid's question instead of what you rolled. Buzz cards are an option for anyone who answers an all-play question correctly on another player's turn. Read the buzz card as soon as you get it. Some cards are used right away, and others are saved for later use. When you reach the end of the game path, you must stop on the space labeled Stop and discard any buzz cards you have. Your first attempt to win the game is with an all-play-to-win challenge. If you lose the challenge, you move to the outer circle of Final Cut and pass the dice to the next player. If another player answers the all-play-to-win correctly, they have the option of drawing a buzz card or moving forward 2 spaces. In Final Cut, you choose Final Cut from the DVD menu and follow the simple on-screen instructions. If you answer all of the questions correctly, you win the game. If you miss a question, you move 1 ring closer to the center, but you must wait for your next turn to try again. You don't get any benefit from winning all-play challenges on other players' turns. Only Final Cut questions can move you ahead. If you lose a challenge while on the last Final Cut ring, you will remain on that ring until you answer correctly or the game ends. That's it! You are now ready to play Scene It! Disney Magical Moments.